Hi there. This is a lovely mixture of addition and subtraction questions. If you can handle this, you should be able to do everything in these two sections with no problems. And you know what? I just thought of something. The biggest mistake students make, is they don't pay attention to what they're doing, especially when they start mixing it, because the videos we've had have been, this is how you do addition, and this is how you do subtraction. Well, now I'm mixing them up on you. So you got to pay attention, and you're still going to be fine. But by highlighting them, it's going to remind me what I'm supposed to be doing. So obviously, this is an addition question. So 5p squared minus 3. Remember the rule, if it's just adding, those brackets, I don't want to say don't mean anything, but basically they don't. They are just for organization. All right, so I've got, let's see, highest power of p is over here. So minus 3p, 3. And then I've got 5p squared and 2p squared plus 7p squared minus 3. Now I know some of you might be thinking, hey, why do you do all that work? Why do you recopy them? Because you could have just looked here and said, oh, okay, there's that one and those two together. You're right. You're absolutely right. But then I have to remember, when is it that I recopy and change signs, and when do I not have to do it? If you do it every single time, it's not a problem. There's no stress, right? As soon as you see brackets, oh, I'm going to be rewriting it, and then life is a whole lot easier. Just saying, just suggestion. All right, a3 minus 2a squared. See a negative there, or a subtraction sign, so I'm going to distribute. So minus 3a squared, and a negative times a negative is plus 4a cubed. Remember this one, don't think of it coming as that. This is the negative times that understood, or option 2, which is what I do to double check what I'm doing. This was a plus, now it's a negative. This was a negative, now it's a plus. The signs have to change when you subtract. Now I've got an a cubed and a cubed over there. So a cubed plus 4a cubed is 5a cubed. And minus 2a squared and minus 3a squared, put those together, you're going to get minus 5a squared. Ta-da! All right, let's do these ones over here. Oh, look at this question. It's kind of cool because it's got the negative out front. All right. So minus 4r3, we're just going to distribute, plus 34. And then this is a plus, so we just bring it down. Oops. R4 minus 5r3. Again, think of this plus as being the plus sign on this one. At least that's what I think. So we got some r cubes. There's r cubed there. There's r cubed there. Minus 9r cubed. Whoopsies. There was an r4 there. So I'm going to put r to the 4th out front. Plus 34. As I've said in the other videos, it's just best practice to go in descending order. I've got my r4, r3s, and a 34. All right. Did I mention this was the video? One of the videos is like, okay, extra for experts. Let's just see what you do with this. There's no terms we can combine. What you don't want to do at this point is just leave it blank. Because to me, that says you didn't know what to do. The best choice would be to do that. Let's just put it in descending order. And there we go. If you feel the need or you don't want to do that and you write can't combine, no like terms, that's probably fine too. Talk to your instructor if it's not me. See what they prefer. Okay, but this is probably what I would do. All right, let's look at these last ones. Oh, we have a nice addition there. So 4 plus 2n to the 3rd plus 5n to the 3rd plus 2. We got those 2n's to the 3rd, so it's going to be 7n3. plus 4 plus 2 is 6. Done. Look at how sweet that was. All right. Oh, here's a negative. Let's see what this one does. 4n minus n3. Oh, this is looking really tricky. Minus 3n3 minus 4n. All right, gotta be careful. Here's my n3. So this is a negative 3 and minus 3 more is negative 6n3. So if you borrowed $3 and then you borrowed $3 again, it's not like you owe me nothing. It's like you owe me $6. But if you had $4 and then you spent $4, you're going to get nothing. There's nothing left. So this is good. Again, if you want to put 0 or you want to put 0n, you go right ahead. But to me, that's just extra stuff I don't need to worry about. This is what I would look for as an answer. All right, we're getting there. Let me move this up a bit. Distribute through that negative. Minus 2x minus 3y plus 2x plus 3y. All right, so minus 2x and plus 2x. That's going to be 0. Minus 3y plus 3y. Okay, that. How about that? That's kind of goofy. Really? Wouldn't even bother with that. Just in case somebody's looking at it later. The answer is just 0. Very last one. 5t squared plus 16t minus 20, oopsies, 25. Distribute minus 5t plus 6x plus 10. Hold on. T squared, t 25. Oh yeah, that's an x in there. I wonder if that was a typo. That was supposed to be there. But you know what? Do the question the way it's written. So this is my only t squared, so 5t squared. Now I've got 16t here. And I've got minus 5t there. So 16 minus 5, it's plus 11t. And my 6x, it just kind of came along for the ride, so we'll just bring it down. Nothing to do, bring it along. And then we have minus 25 and plus 10, so that's going to give me minus 15. And there are no like terms in there, so we are done. There's a lovely polynomial there for you. Ooh, we did this on the last video. What do you call this one? One term. That video, monomial. Binomial, 2 terms. And we can go all the way up here. And there's a trinomial, that's 3 terms. Always review, always practice. You can do math.